Hey YouTube, what is up guys? This is Sheikh back with another video, and this video is going to be an unboxing video of Canon EOS 800D camera. I just bought this camera like 2-3 days before and we're gonna unboxing together. Let's see what is inside the camera, and please, whoever didn't subscribe yet my channel, please do subscribe. It will be a lot for me. So let's see what is inside Canon 800D camera. Okay, so first of all, when you open the box, we'll see some kind of menu or some instruction guide, something. We don't need it. And then we're gonna see the power cable over here and a screen. And inside of these, we are watching over here the battery charger. Here is the battery. This is, if I'm not wrong, then 1100 mAh battery, lithium ion. And then we are watching over here. This is the Canon 1855 EFS third generation lens, which is nice, really good lens. And this is compact version of this lens. The previous lenses are like a little bit larger than this one. And the final, here is the camera, Canon 800D. Let's open it up. Show it over here. Nicely wrapped, the camera. Wow. There you can see brand new Canon 800D camera. So what are the features of this camera? Of course, this camera is a great camera for the beginners. Whoever just thinking they're gonna buy a camera very soon, don't buy any professional yet, because you need to understand what is DSLR camera or mirrorless camera. So first buy a best entry-level camera like this Canon 800D, because there is a lot of pro features also. So we're gonna see what is inside. Just give me a moment. I'm gonna set up all these things again, and then we'll see what is inside of this beautiful Canon 800D camera. Alright guys, so we already completed our setup. Everything right on the position. So this is the beautiful Canon EOS 800D. Let's talk about some feature of this camera. So this camera is excellent for video recording, although it cannot record 4K video, but this camera can record full HD video with 60 frame rate. So this camera is very good. And if we talk about the focus system of this camera, it has 45 manual focusing points. So it's very much accurate for any focus. It has dual autofocus system, which is the best in Canon. And if we talk about the color correction and the grade of color, Canon is one of the best camera in the world. And there is a reason to buy this camera, because this camera has a flip screen. You can rotate from front side to back side, so you can manage your camera setting like that way. And also it has ISO, which is from 100 to maximum 51,000, and this is very good for any beginning camera. Alright guys, let's open the camera. I'm not gonna talk anything about shooting or how to make video, how to shoot something. I'm just gonna talk what are the features that this camera has. The on off button is over here, and this one is the video button, just like this. So supposed to be this is off. When you need to on the camera, just push it over here on button and then remove this front case. Okay, so this is like pretty much ready for this camera, and you can see the menu system over here. This shows the old menu system because I prefer this, but it has the newest menu system also. If you need to change your menu system, this is a touch screen display, by the way. So if you need to change something from here, you can change directly from here, or just press the menu button over here, you see. Okay, so if you need to move on the new menu, do it. Guided, just press OK, and this is how it will show the new menu system. Alright, this is the calibration of the camera. You can see there is the ISO button in the top over here. This one is the display button, and this, if you flip over here, this is just to start recording video. So if you need to record something, in case, you just need to press this button and the video will start. Again, if you need to stop the video, just press over here, it will stop automatically. This is how you record video. And the focal system, there is 45 point focus. So just if you want to focus like this, you can just touch, or it will automatically focus, as it has the dual pixel autofocus system. And let's see how better this can capture some picture. Let's take some pictures. So as you have seen, it can really shoot some very nice looking pictures, and I just shoot a video like a couple of minutes before. I'm gonna put it with this shot also. Just because of recording the video, you must need to use a SD card. It's better to use a 32 GB SD card. I'm using this SD card, and this is really fast to transfer files, which is good. And you can push up to 1 TB SD card over here. Battery goes over here on the down. The only downside of this camera is you can take only 600 shots in one full charge of this battery, which is, considering to 80D or 90D, it's too much less. Good news is you can connect external mic recorder over here. This spot, let's see, there is a USB over here, and this one is HDMI out. Clearly you can see the build quality is very nice of this camera, but this is not weatherproof camera, so be careful if you want to shoot outside while it is raining or very cold outside. It will not gonna be that good on those kind of weather. Let's talk about the price range. This camera has a price range under 50,000 taka if you buy from Bangladesh, but if you ask what is the price in the US or UK, this approximately like $650 is only the body price, not including the lens. So this is pretty much it. I hope you guys like this camera, and if you like, before to buy any camera, my request is just to check this out, so because this is really a very good camera and you're not going to be disappointed. Thank you so much guys for today.